Welcome to my kitchen, my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna be doing some beer battered catfish. So I'm gonna show you an easy and simple way to do it. So let's get into the ingredients. All right, you guys. So we see here we got about 2 pounds of catfish fillets. We also do have the beer battered right here, and I'm gonna show you how to make the beer batter with some beer, obviously. And we're gonna measure it up. And then I'm gonna cube up this, so we're gonna do some cube beer battered fish and we're gonna fry them up. So let's get these cubed up and I'll show you how to do the beer batter. All right, so we're gonna get ready to slice up our catfish into cubes and then we're gonna get over to the next step. All right, now so we're gonna make the beer battered batter for the fish. So you wanna add in 1/2 cup of your beer battered mix. So you can get this mix, I think it shows you right here, from any store. I like to use this one, it's pretty good. I have some good seasoning, but if you want to add in some more seasoning, you can. You can add it onto your fish, to give it more, some more flavor. Next, we're gonna do is add in your beer. So what you want to do is you want to whisk it in slowly. You know what I'm saying? So stir it around. Incorporate it all in. Beer, stuff like that, mind you. To get to a thick consistency. And the reason why I use this one, I didn't use the whole bag because I'm going to use in one fillet that I chopped up, so we don't want to use it. But you can use the whole bag. The original recipe is actually using the whole bag and 1/2 of either club soda or, one 8-ounce bottle of beer. So get it to this consistency right here, and we're gonna add in the fish next. You guys, so fish is cut up, but batter's done, so we're about to add the fish, the catfish nuggets. These are catfish bites, chopped up with the fillet. I'm gonna put in batter, so just put it all in there. Less time and everything like that. Mix it around, in the batter. So they can fully coat it, stuff like that. And just drop them in one at a time. Now, like I said in the other videos, drop it away from you. Because you don't want no popping on you. And don't drop it like I just did. Be dropping it like it's hot. That's funny. But anyway, corny to say that. But anyway, alright you guys, so we'll keep putting all the fish in here. I'm gonna let them get ready to fry up. Make sure you put them away from each other because sometimes they can clump up as they're frying and stuff like that. So when I do that, one key thing is how you know your fish is actually done is when it floats to the top, you guys. I've been frying fish since I was, in high school, cooking. And one thing that my teacher taught me is the fact that when the fish fries, that means that all the water is out of it and it's pretty much done and cooked all the way through. So that's how you know. When it floats to the top, it's done. But let me put the rest of these pieces in here and I'll show you the finished product, you guys. All right, so now we're done. So, many people have asked me about, so why don't we see you eat one or taste one or something like that. So I'm going to do a taste test for you guys. So, we're going to do a little mukbang real quick. So, grab a little piece and stuff like that and show you, Man, Mama said don't eat with your mouth closed, but that one good, you guys. All right, you guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, on some beer battered catfish bites. I'm about to get ready to eat. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.